Hello and welcome to this Expert Viewpoints video. Let's first listen to expert opinions on how educators can effectively evaluate AI tools to ensure they enhance learning outcomes.
Educators should access AI tools by aligning them with clear learning objectives, ensuring they support personalized learning, engagement, and skills development. Ease of integration is key. AI should enhance, not disrupt existing teaching workflows. They should also review evidence-based impact such as case studies and research on student outcomes. Equity and accessibility must be prioritized, ensuring all learners benefit regardless of background. Finally, data privacy and security should be rigorously evaluated to protect student information and comply with regulations like GDPR.
Educators should assess AI tools based on ease of integration and proven impact on student outcomes. Use a simple rubric with criteria like pedagogical value, privacy, and accessibility. Pilot the tool in a small course, gather feedback, and compare outcomes before broader adoption. Trust AI outputs to a certain extent, but always be sure to verify before executing large scale.
When I think about evaluating AI tools in education, I recommend beginning with a clear definition of your learning objectives. This clarity helps you assess whether a tool truly supports your intended outcomes or simply offer amazing but pointless features. Select a small group of students or a single class to pilot the tool. During these pilots, collect quantitative data on learning outcomes, but also qualitative feedback from students and your fellow teachers about their experiences.
When evaluating AI tools, ask yourself, does this tool truly align with learning objectives and enhance critical thinking? Is it user-friendly and supported by professional development? Can you measure its impact through clear metrics? I recommend using a structured evaluation rubric and involve both teachers and students. Look for solutions that provide actionable insights and support differentiated instruction while remaining transparent.
The tool must fit curriculum goals, personalize learning, and enhance students' engagement. It should integrate seamlessly with existing systems without increasing teacher workload. Effectiveness should be accessed using pilot testing, student feedback, and learning analytics. Key criteria included pedagogical values, privacy compliances, accessibility, and cost-effectiveness. A structured approach using frameworks like SAMR or TPSAK ensures AI tools genuinely enhancing learning outcomes rather than serve as mere technological additions.
What I have found most effective is implementing these evaluations as iterative cycles. Start with small-scale pilot, collect feedback, make adjustments, and gradually expand the implementation as you optimize the tool use. This start small, then scale approach minimize risk while allowing customization of your specific educational context. Remember, the goal isn't to find a most advanced AI tool, but rather the one that becomes almost invisible in enhancing learning experience.
Next, let's hear experts discuss the key factors that institutions should consider when selecting AI tools for educational use.
When selecting AI tools, institutions need to think strategically about implementation and sustainability. Security and privacy compliance with FERPA, GDPR, etc. should be non-negotiable. Consider scalability. Will this solution work for 30 or 30,000 students? Factor in all costs, implementation, maintenance, and professional development. Secure stakeholder buy-in from administration, IT teams, teachers, and students through thoughtful change management. Establish clear governance and use phased pilot testing to reduce risk. Your evaluation should measure both technical performance and educational impact, balancing standardization with room for classroom innovation.
When institutions approach AI tool selection, they need to think beyond individual classrooms to consider the broader organizational impact. Security and data privacy must be at the forefront of any institutional decision. Scalability is another critical factor that institutions often underestimate. Cost considerations extend far beyond the initial licensing fees, account for professional development, technical support resource, potential infrastructure upgrades, and time investment from different teams. Alignment with institutional strategy goals is essential. Stakeholders' input is something that I can't emphasize enough. Successful implementations require buy-in from administration, teachers, IT staff, students, and parents.
Institutions must consider scalability, data security, cost, and alignment with strategic goals. Stakeholder input is a key. Ensure compliance with the institution's values and regulatory constraints. Support faculty with training and provide feedback. Start small with pilot programs and scale based on feedback and performance data.
AI tools must adapt to growing student needs without performance issues. Interoperability is crucial. Seamless integration with existing learning management systems and tools reduces friction. Ethical transparency ensures fairness, avoiding biases in AI-driven assessments. Educator support and training are essential. Tools should empower, not overwhelm teachers. Lastly, data security and compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR must be ensured.
Generative AI is a revolutionizing personalized learning through adaptive content, real-time feedback, and interactive tutoring. Tools like CanMigo and Socrative personalize learning by adjusting to student needs. While AI creates custom quizzes, lesson plans, and simulations, teachers will act as mentors using AI insights for targeted support. The key is balancing AI-driven personalization with human guidance, ensuring engagement, ethics, and student success.
Technical infrastructure requirements deserve careful consideration. Professional development needs are frequently underestimated. Finding the right balance between standardization and flexibility is an ongoing challenge. Finally, develop a comprehensive implementation plan that includes pilot testing, feedback, phased rollout, and ongoing evaluation.